Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Quick video walkthrough on this 2018 23 Vantage. Boat has 79.9 hours on it. Boat is equipped with the optional sun pad and the optional table. Both those are stored under the helm console. Coming around, you got a Marine touch font, depth and chart plotter. It is touch screen. Pop that off. 4-inch vessel view and VHF radio. Boat's also equipped with a Fusion stereo, Linko trim tabs, digital throttle and shift. Over to port, you got a portable head that is plumbed, so you pull up, get your fuel, pump your head out. Small vanity down there, storage underneath. Get a shot of this port lounge. It's up in the seated position. Drop it forward, you got a leaning post, comes all the way forward. You got a rear facing lounger. Cushions are in great shape. This pulls out. Aft bench seat. Cushions are in great shape on that. 2 batteries, selector switch under the gunnel. Small wet bar, Yeti carry-on cooler. Whaler helm seat, flip up bolsters. Guys, this is a nice boat, great shape. Boat is also equipped with the optional anchor windlass. So you got shower wash down there, freshwater system wash down. There's controls for your windlass. There's also controls at the helm. Don't see a windlass on this size boat. It's getting to be more popular, but don't see it often. It's a nice feature. Shot of the mercury cowling there. Boat has the optional sports tower with a bimini that comes back and gives this cockpit some shade. Get a shot of that sports tower folding, coming back the other way. Got all around white light on. It's a bit up there for your water sports activities as well, so you can connect your tow rope there. The sports tower does have some rod holders on either side. Rocket launchers. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. If you have any questions about this 23 Vantage or any others, give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks, have a great day.